I'm going to show you how to add basic transitions to your video. So these transitions are the things that you add that will lead you from one place to, not one place, but from one topic or from one sentence to another. For example, one of the best places that you can add a transition is maybe you're saying something, number one is this. You're not, when you're done talking about number one, you can use a transition to lead you to number two. So to add a transition, you add it in between two videos. For example, this one, let me just play it so you can see. Out on this. Let's dive in. Step number. So let's dive in will lead us to step number one. Quick break. If editing is stressing you out and making you not show up consistently for your community, I can take the weight off you. I can help you edit engaging and high quality videos so you can focus on creating and showing up for your community. If this is something you're interested in, click on the link in the description or the link in the pinned post to see the different packages I offer. Select your preferred package and let's get started. So this is the middle. You see this white box with the line. You click on it and it will bring you here. These are the transitions that you can use in your video. So just select the one that you want. So for me, I'll go with this candy switch. You can check them out. There are lots and lots of transitions that you can choose from. Either this camera switch, this candy switch, or camera glow. Step number one is, and then you set how long you want it to be. So I'll set it to 0.5. Let me play it. Let's dive in. Step number one is, so you can see the transition. Don't need to add it in between a sentence. Maybe you're still talking about that same sentence. You're still in that same sentence and you're adding a transition. No, a transition is supposed to be, hear the word transition. So it's supposed to lead you from one to another. Please do not add a transition while you're still in that same sentence. I see a lot of people do that and it's just like after maybe every 5 words you say transition. That is very, very distracting and that just makes a very unprofessional video. So let's go to the end of step number one. When we're going to step number two, I'll add another transition and show you. So this is the end of step number two and this is the beginning of step number three. Let me play it. Stick around. Step number three. You can see. So this, I'll click on it again and then I'm going to use the same transition. You can choose another one. Round. Step number three. Well, let's use candy switch this time. Round. Step number three is your light. Okay, so let's play it. Stick around. Step number three is your lighting. I don't like the way it came in. You can also, okay, let's reduce the duration. So stick around. Step number three is your light. This is okay. So this is how you add a transition to your video. This is what we call basic transition. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Also, click on this video here to learn how to add background music to your video the right way. I'll see you there and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.